Arabic, School of Arts, Languages and Literature. Pirzadi Mehak Shah Shafat, MSc in Biochemistry, Department of Biochemistry, School of Biological Sciences. Sheikh Saqib Jilani, Masters in Finance and Control, Department of Management Studies, School of Business Studies. Dania Ali, IMBA, Department of Management Studies, School of Business Studies. Huma Khurshid Wani, MSc in Environmental Sciences, Department of Environmental Sciences, School of Earth and Environmental Sciences. Mehnaz Eazaz, Masters in Law, Department of Law and School of Law. Adil Hamid, Bachelors in Law, Department of Law, School of Law. Mehak John, BA LLB, Department of Law, again School of Law. Nausheen Mehraj, MA Education, Directorate of Distance Education, School of Open Learning. Ikram Mushtaq, MSc Statistics, Department of Statistics, School of Physical and Mathematical Sciences. Naqshab Nisar, MA Islamic Studies, Shahi Hamdan Institute of Islamic Studies, School of Social Sciences. Ruqayya Jan, Bachelors of Pharmacy, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, School of Applied and Technology. Danish Amin, Bachelor of Dentistry, School of Dentistry. Afreen John, Bachelor of Education, Department of Education, School of Education and Behavioral Sciences. Zuha Bilal, BTech, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Department of Electronics Engineering, School of Engineering. Falah Fayaz, MBBS, School of Medicine. Bisma Muhyiddin, Bachelor of Nursing, School of Allied Medicine. Mahrukh Miraj, Bachelor of Education, Department of Education, School of Education and Behavioral Sciences. Ummat Jan, Bachelor in Unani Medicine and Surgery, School of Unani and Ayurvedic Medicine. Noman Farooq, Bachelor of Science, Undergrad course, from Government Degree College, Bijbehara, Anantnag. It's a proud moment. Out of 21 toppers, among the toppers, 17 girls, 4 boys. Loud applause, please. Thank you, Honorable President of India, Srimati Dروپدی مرمو, and other dignitaries for honoring the awardees. May I now request the Honorable Chancellor, Shri Manoj Sinha, to address the convocation, please.
भारत की महामहिम राष्ट्रपति आदरणीय द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी, जम्मू कश्मीर तथा लद्दाख के मुख्य न्यायाधीश न्यायमूर्ति एन कोटेश्वर सिंह जी, मेरे सलाहकार श्री राजीव राय भटनागर जी, कश्मीर विश्वविद्यालय की कुलपति प्रोफेसर नीलोफर खान, विभिन्न विश्वविद्यालयों के सभी सम्मानित कुलपतिगण, विभिन्न शिक्षण संस्थाओं के सभी प्रमुख, श्रीनगर शहर के मेयर श्री जुनैद मट्टू साहब, चेयरमैन वक्फ बोर्ड डॉक्टर दरख्श